Hey, what's up you guys? It's Judy here with my Life as Geek Eye, and welcome to today's video, which literally no one asked for. I'm going to be doing a makeup look today inspired by Taylor Swift's new song, You Need to Calm Down. On this channel, I create videos on product reviews, makeup tutorials, and lifestyle advice with the aim to entertain, educate, and enrich the lives of others. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I would love for you to join the Geek Eye family, and if you're returning here to my channel, then welcome back. As I said before, in today's video, I'm going to be doing a makeup look inspired by Taylor Swift's brand new song, You Need to Calm Down. Now let us please highlight the word inspired. I don't think I'm going to be able to completely recreate this look because a lot of what's going on in this look is also influenced by everything else that's going on around it. The pink background, the green nails, the green watch, the blonde hair. I honestly do not own any pink clothing. The only thing pink around me right now in my whole absolute surroundings is probably my Tupperware water bottle and maybe this palette. I don't know. Like I said, it's inspired by. So I'm going to be doing my very best. I'm not even going to pretend to try to be anything like what she looks like in the video because, I mean, obviously she's a tall white blonde and I'm a short tanned Asian. So I mean, like, we're not even in the same league. I think this look is absolutely beautiful. It looks simple enough to recreate, so that's what I'm going to be doing in today's video. If you want to see that, then keep on watching. But if at any point through this video you do decide that you do like it, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. You can also turn on the notification bell because I put out 3 videos every single week. You can also follow me on my social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. All of them are Life as Geek Eye. Also, please, let's not mention my hair. I think it might look semi-cute in this video, but we're not going to mention that. I might be really good at makeup or good enough at makeup, but I absolutely suck balls at styling my hair. Anyway, we're going to move past that. I don't think this really will be much of a makeup tutorial. I mean, who is out there looking for this video? No one. Literally no one asked for this video, but I thought it'd be fun to make, which is why I'm making it today. So I think for the style of editing that I'm going to be doing for this particular video, I'm going to try something different and do my best to edit this video in the way that Instagram makeup tutorials are edited. Does that make any sense? I don't know if it's going to work. I just wanted to try something different with both my filming and my editing, I don't know, skills, trying something different. I don't know, I want to challenge myself to try something different. So for today's video, that's what I'm planning on doing. Sound off in the comments down below if you like it. I don't know, let me know if you don't like it. And any kind of feedback is great. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking because that's probably gonna be one of the feedbacks. Stop talking so much, and I'm gonna get straight into this video.
One step is all it takes to get us moving anywhere. And now that we are on our way, I need to say what used to keep us back were just excuses made to not change. You say I promise to be there in every single way. We're doing this together, every step we take closer to each other. So much to discover. I can't help but feeling our love taking over. Our hearts getting closer and closer. I can't get enough of times of getting lost with you. Getting lost with you. Getting lost with you.
Okay, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun at creating this look actually. It was very fun to do. I mean, obviously it's not an exact recreation of the look that Taylor Swift was wearing in the video. The look was only worn in the very first maybe 20 seconds of the video itself, and there weren't very many angles where I could see exactly the look and the details of it. So this is just a basic idea. I mean, the green eye, the bold red lip. I would never have dreamt to pair a bright green eye look with some bright red lips, but I'm really actually feeling it. I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the style of editing that I did for this video. Sound off in the comments down below if you would like to see more makeup tutorials in this style of editing, or if you really just prefer my makeup tutorials like I always do them, a talk through makeup tutorial where it's a little bit more slowed down, you can see exactly what I'm doing, or you just like this, you know, just a quick run through of the way I created this look. Obviously, because I wasn't exactly showing the products that I was using and it was just a very quick, snappy sort of tutorial, I'm gonna leave all the products that I use listed in the description box down below. Comment down below, guys, if you enjoy seeing me recreate various makeup looks in popular music videos. Obviously, I'm not playing that copyright music in my own videos because this bitch ain't trying to get demonetized. So while I feel like this look would be a lot more effective while I'm playing the catchy music from the video that it's inspired from, I'm not trying to get kicked off YouTube or demonetized or copyright strikes or all that sort of crap. If you guys want to see me recreate more looks inspired by various popular music videos, then comment down below, let me know, and I could possibly make it a series. I've already done one other music video inspired makeup look, and that was the Cardi B Please Me makeup tutorial. I will also leave that video listed in the description box down below if you want to check it out. It was so much fun to do. That video was actually copyright striked. So I'm not making any money off that video. It was demonetized for me, but that was okay. I created that video way before I hit 1,000 subscribers, and I was really just trying to get, you know, myself put out there in the YouTube universe. What is this? What am I doing with my hands? I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and ring the notification bell because I put out 3 videos every single week. You can also follow me on my social media, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. All of them are lifeaskikay. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for being here. I really, truly appreciate that you've chosen to spend your time here with me today. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Isn't an exact... Oh shit. Is that there the whole time? Just get on with it, Judie. Just get on with it. Get on with it. Calm the fuck down. Okay, let's do this. Hey, what's up, you guys? It's a new song. Okay, let's do this. A short black Asian. Oh, not black. I'm a short. We're not even in the same league, honey. Let's be real. She's a multi-billionaire and I'm little old me. My lacy black top, it's actually a little bit reminiscent of Blank Space. Red lace bra on, which is also a little bit reminiscent of the Blank Space Taylor Swift video, but that's not the video that we are talking about today. Anyway, I need to figure out what I'm doing. Don't do that at home, kids. or if you really just prefer make my. So while I feel in the universe, in the YouTube, I was just trying to get myself put out there.